Come test drive the 2016 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, leather trim seats, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, child safety locks, trip odometer, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.